Oh dear. Air conditioner is on. Hang on. Let's run through that again. What's up? What's good, everyone? Lion King's coming out, so naturally I had to do some Lion King cosplay. Be prepared for some Be Prepared ASL, right? Yeah, okay. I'm also going to be doing a lot of Scar TikToks.
Oh, I shall practice my curtsy.
And for this video, a face paint tutorial. Thank you so much for this comment. You guys are the king of Pride Rock. Just can't wait for the puns to be over. Let's go. For step numero uno, I took some white, pink, and orange to create a beige-ish color to paint his muzzle, snout. You know what I mean. If you have a beige color, you can use that, or white. Any of those colors will be fine. Drop my brush. Next, I just put a little more pink and a little more orange into the beige mixture that I made to start working on Scar's scar. I gotta tell you guys, this brush has become my favorite brush. Next, I painted all of the orange, making sure to avoid my eyelids, under my eyebrows, and my lower face. For his eyelids, I made a kind of brownish color with orange, black, and a hint of red. Again, if you have brown, use that. It's probably easier. Then for the black. You can use black lipstick for this, but I always use face paint on my lips. So I only painted my top lip black, and then I painted that center line thing, you know, and then painted my nose and gave him black tears. I actually don't know what those things are called, but he had those black lines on the reference picture, so I went with it. It also helps define the nose some more. It's easier to face paint over your brows when you either don't have any or you do like the glue stick thing where you basically get rid of them. But I have yet to do that, so I stick with the face paint. Luckily, the brown of his eyelids is about the same shade as my actual eyebrows, so when I go through with the black to define his thinner, pointier, arched eyebrows, you can actually kind of tell a difference. So that was nice. Oh, and give him those kitty whiskers. Snarl at yourself a little bit if you want to. Then fill in everything else black. Depending on your wig, you may or may not need to face paint your ears. I try to avoid painting my ears at all costs because trying to wash the paint out usually takes a while, but I ended up needing to paint the lower half of my ears. Just keep that in mind. Also, if you have green or yellow contacts, by all means, use those, but I don't have any, so yeah. If you'd like to paint your hands, here's what to do. Take the same beige-ish color that you used for your snout and paint the top half of your fingers. Next, paint the back of your hand and your wrist orange, and the palm of your hand the same brown color as your eyelids. Then using black, draw one line down the middle of your fingers where the beige is. You can also make the line wider in the center to give them a more curved kind of 3D nail cat scratch. I'm just saying random words now. And do the same thing to the other hand. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!